What's up? Probably gonna be doing the strangest video ever. Hold on, let me just change the camera view real quick. That's better. Right, so today I'm gonna be doing my review on 5 Gum Strawberry Flood. Okay. There. Strawberry Flood, and then strawberry and flood. And here's the thing, whatever, back of it, and let's unwrap it. Ooh. Okay, this one comes with only 15 sticks, and those are the colors of the gum packaging. A surge of strawberry. Okay, got one out. Let's open it. Okay, there's the gum. It's has a bunch of powder or flavor on it. And we'll taste it. Yeah. It tastes sweeter than a normal strawberry, and it kind of reminds me of the watermelon one that I did did like a month ago, or I don't know. Haven't uploaded it yet. I'll upload it today and this video. Which this video is gonna be today. The other video was like a month ago, but I'll still upload it today. So, oh yeah, I have something to tell you. There's a lot of flavors that are discontinued from 5 Gum, like Flare, Beatra, Vortex, RPM Fruit, React 2 Fruit, and the React Fruit. The ones I have tried are the RPM Fruit, and that's pretty much it. And the Vortex one. The ones I wanted to try was the Beatra one. I believe that's discontinued here in the United States, but I don't know if that's really true or not, but yeah, it might be discontinued and probably everywhere, but I don't really know. So that was a review on Strawberry Flood from 5 Gum from Wrigley's, and I hope you enjoy.